Alright guys, this is how to install a twin disc. So right now at this point in time, I just ordered the competition clutch twin disc. So when I actually get it, it'll be a couple days. But first off, you can have the engine in the car. I just pulled it. It's pretty easy for mine. First thing you want to do is take the transmission and unbolt it from the engine. So get a couple of those bolts off. Make sure the clips are off. Gotta take off the half shaft. Great. Gotta take off the half shaft. I left my bolts in there. Either do that or put them in a box so you don't lose anything. Okay, it should just fall off now. There's the old clutch. Then you got 6 10mm bolts. Make sure you use the 12.10. That's for all Hondas.
Oh yeah, this has plenty of life.
Then you got the flywheel bolts. I got the ARP ones. These are 19mm 12 point. But I'm not sure if some of them come 17, but that's what these are, so.
There it is. Why'd you come in? There it is. Very looks pretty. Yeah, awesome. If you want, I wish you had a marker. I'm so lucky to just wash those down. Yeah, I gave you too much right off the bat. Oh, are you ready for one? Alright, we're good. I'm going to shut down. Should I go right back? Because I didn't do the first one I didn't click yet. We should start right there. I started, we'll basically have to start right there. I'll go down, straight down a little. Yeah. Zigzag that whatever you want. To the one right next to the one you just went to. Okay. And then let's go right. This one? Yeah. And then cross one out. And then diagonal bottom. I didn't see it. And then cut out that one. And then this one up. Make sure the first one's good. Yep, that's the one I didn't get. No, that's right. Oh, okay. Yeah, check them all real quick.
Just got to line up the bolt. So you're kind of going to want to be
Show the
sideways.
close-up loop.
You're going to want to hold it like sideways to hold the plates back. You know what I'm saying?
That's what I was doing. Like I go tight and then like let them turn. So like a whole half turn. Yeah.